rally ready.
Out, the weather looks amazing.
To help me get through this and find my place.
Those Lamborghini pops, we are driving through some crazy fog, but the Lamborghini, the Ferraris, look at all that fog. Oh yeah, you don't even need to see the Lamborghini. You just know where the Lamborghini is by that exhaust note. You just cannot mistake it for anything else. Y'all, so the Lamborghini just led everyone in the wrong direction. Lambos, come on, you're supposed to be representing out here. What is this? But it sounds so good. How can you be me? How can... Oh my gosh, get yourself a convertible! It is so beautiful. We have so many cars, sound so amazing. And look at the scenery. Like, look outside. It is a beautiful day in Washington. This is amazing. Tesla who? Okay, we're running to the restroom that we didn't know existed, and the cars are about to leave. But I need to pee. The other media boys are in the heli chopper. We are down here enjoying the absolute scenery. Oh, look at Brandon! No, no shot. It was the Ferrari. Okay, so we're at our next stop on the rally, and there is just antique farm equipment. Horse-drawn riding disc. We got the cultipacker, the spike tooth harrow. Just goes down all the ways. Got more stuff here. We have no forklifts, but we have farm wildlife. Where the heck are we? It's just all farming equipment. I mean, I'm not complaining. I think I'm just confused. Look at this one. This is
Brandon life.
This is the place for me. Look, I even got a whole chair. Wild. Living quarter cabin. Wicked. I wonder if you can go inside. Look, there's a dude here. He was a muscle man. He did muscle stuff. Look at all the springs in the mattress. Ain't no Tempur-Pedic here. Oh, you got a whole drill press. Wild. There's an owl. Wait, so this thing was pulled by a horse and a tractor? What the heck are you? Okay, so we've deciphered that person had a boat, had some wheels, had a cab, and was just like, I need a ride, and this is what came out of it. It legit looks like Frankenstein. You can see like a weather ceiling right here. This is just bolted on top of here, and then you have just literally cutouts for the parts that go out to the wheels right here. I mean, ingenuity, it works. It's kind of cool looking. I mean, it's a vibe if you're into that. I'm not particularly into it, but if you're into that. Fellas.
Ready to eat?
Nope.
Does he make you proud?
He does.
See? That's teaching the youngin about bald tires. How they're not good.
So we just arrived at the hotel. It's been a pretty fun time.
There's a point, 7,000 RPM, where
Oh, the food, the movie, so good. So fun being able to end the night with everybody. These are people that I didn't even know. They're just super cool people with super cool cars. I liked it. They went out clubbing. I went back hotel because I wanted some sleep. Stay subscribed for day 2 tomorrow of the rally.